Oxacillin sodium vial with threaded port is a medication used to treat various bacterial infections. It is a type of penicillin antibiotic that works by preventing the growth of bacteria. This medication should be taken as directed by your healthcare provider, typically on a regular schedule. It is important to take the full course of treatment, even if you start to feel better. Be sure to follow your doctor's instructions carefully and do not skip any doses. If you have any questions or concerns about taking oxacillin sodium vial with threaded port, be sure to talk to your healthcare provider for more information. This medication is usually given by injection into a vein or muscle every 4 to 6 hours as directed by your doctor. The dosage is based on your medical condition and response to treatment, and for children, it is also based on weight. If you are using this medication at home, make sure to learn all preparation and usage instructions from your healthcare professional. Before using, check the product for any particles or discoloration, and if either is present, do not use the liquid. It's important to learn how to store and discard medical supplies safely. If you are using the frozen pre-mixed solution, thaw the container at room temperature or in the refrigerator and do not thaw by putting in warm/hot water or microwaving. After thawing, shake well and squeeze the container to check for leaks. Do not refreeze the solution after thawing. To get the best effect, it's important to use this antibiotic at evenly spaced times, and to help you remember, use this medication at the same times every day. Make sure to continue using this medication for the full time prescribed, even if symptoms disappear after a few days, as stopping the medication too early may result in a return of the infection. If your condition lasts or gets worse, be sure to tell your doctor. Side effects of oxacillin sodium vial with threaded port may include pain, redness, or swelling at the injection site. If these effects persist or worsen, notify your doctor or pharmacist. This medication has been prescribed to you because your doctor has determined that the benefits outweigh the risks of potential side effects. Many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. Seek immediate medical attention if you experience any serious side effects, such as easy bruising or bleeding, signs of a new infection, changes in urine color, swelling, abdominal pain, nausea, unusual tiredness, yellowing of the eyes or skin, seizures, uncontrolled movements, or mental/mood changes. Oxacillin sodium vial with threaded port may rarely cause a severe intestinal condition, so it's important to contact your doctor if you experience persistent diarrhea, abdominal pain, or blood/mucus in your stool. Using this medication for prolonged periods may lead to oral thrush or a new yeast infection. Contact your doctor if you notice any changes in your mouth or vaginal discharge. While a serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare, seek medical help immediately if you experience symptoms such as rash, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not an exhaustive list of possible side effects, so be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects not listed here. Before using oxacillin, it's important to inform your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you may have, especially to antibiotics like penicillins or cephalosporins. This medication may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions, so it's essential to discuss this with your pharmacist. Additionally, it's important to disclose your medical history, especially if you have kidney or liver disease. Since oxacillin contains sodium, it's crucial to consult your doctor or pharmacist if you are on a salt-restricted diet or have conditions that could be affected by an increase in salt intake, such as heart failure or high blood pressure. It's important to note that oxacillin may affect the effectiveness of live bacterial vaccines, so it's essential to inform your healthcare professional before any immunizations. Before undergoing surgery, make sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. For older adults, it's important to be aware that they may be more sensitive to the extra sodium in this medication. If you are pregnant, oxacillin should only be used when clearly needed, so it's important to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. This drug also passes into breast milk in small amounts, so it's crucial to consult your doctor before breastfeeding. When taking oxacillin sodium vial with threaded port, it's important to be aware of potential interactions with other medications, as they may affect how this drug works or increase the risk of serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. It's important to note that oxacillin sodium vial with threaded port may interact with methotrexate. Additionally, this medication may interfere with certain lab tests, potentially causing false test results. It's important to inform lab personnel and all your doctors that you are using this drug. When taking oxacillin sodium vial with threaded port, it's important to follow the directions given by your doctor and pharmacist. They will determine the appropriate dosage and timing for your specific needs. Be sure to follow their instructions carefully and ask any questions you may have regarding the medication. If someone has taken too much oxacillin sodium and is experiencing serious symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. In the U.S., you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, you can call a provincial poison control center. Symptoms of an overdose may include seizures and mental or mood changes, such as agitation or confusion. Always seek medical help if you suspect an overdose. It is important to undergo lab and/or medical tests such as complete blood count, sodium/potassium blood levels, and kidney/liver function tests while using oxacillin sodium vial with threaded port. It is important to keep all medical and lab appointments as recommended by your healthcare provider. This will help monitor the effectiveness of the medication and ensure that it is safe for you to continue using. Remember to take oxacillin sodium vial with threaded port as prescribed by your doctor. If you happen to miss a dose, consult your doctor or pharmacist for a new dosing schedule. It's important not to take double the dose to make up for a missed one. Be sure to check the product instructions or talk to your pharmacist about how to store this medication. Always keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. Do not flush this medication down the toilet or pour it down the drain unless you have been specifically told to do so. Make sure to properly dispose of this product when it is expired or you no longer need it. You can consult your pharmacist or your local waste disposal company for guidance on the proper way to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.